Hello, team members. My name is Ajit Singh Chaudhary. I am from Jodhpur, Rajasthan. Basically, I was born in a small village, but when I was three, I came to Jodhpur city and I took admission in VV John Memorial School, from where I have completed my senior secondary education. Once doing the school education, I got the chance to do engineering. So I took admission in Vyas Engineering College, from where I have completed my engineering in civil branch. After completing my engineering, I got a chance to work with Amazon UK, where I was dealing with the customers from United Kingdom and different countries from Europe. Then I came back from Jaipur. I started teaching students, and during the COVID time, I got a chance to work with Utkarsh classes. And since last 3 years, I'm teaching in Utkarsh classes, and I'm taking science subject. So overall, my experience is, if I say it's good, and I am really very happy teaching at Utkarsh classes. Also, I am very happy to teach science subject. So today I am going to have discussion on a topic that is cell, which is a topic starting in class 8th, also in ninth, and it also have some parts in class 10th also. So basically, cell is, if I define the cell is the smallest structural functional unit of a living body. Now, for example, if I talk about human body, if I talk about any organ, like for example, heart is made up of combination of small units, and the smallest unit is called as a cell. If I talk about animals, same thing happens. Animals are also made up of combination of small unit called as cells. Now, I'm saying if I talk about living body, every living thing, if I talk about animals, plants, microorganisms, they all are made up of combination of small units, and the smallest unit is called as a cell. Now, if I talk about a non-living thing is made up of combination of small units, and that is called as an atom. So atom is the smallest unit of non-living thing, and cell is the smallest unit of a living thing. Okay. Now, before 1600, cell was not into the, if I say, nobody was knowing about cell, but Robert Hooke, a scientist, he started discovery of a cell, and he used the onion peel to get to know about cell from his microscope. And nowadays we have a very good information about cells. If I talk about cells are basically of two types. First one we have is eukaryotic cell, and second one we have is a prokaryotic cell. There is a big difference between both the cells. We'll talk about the difference between both the cells. Let's talk about a diagram of a cell. Cells can be of different shapes. Now, I'm taking an example of a cell of a living thing, like a animal cell, and I'll be taking also a plant cell. Now, for example, this is an animal cell, and this is a plant cell. Now, the outer membrane of an animal cell, this is called as a cell membrane, and same with the animal plant cell, this is also called as a cell membrane. But there is a difference in the outer part, because like plants are living things, but still they need some some extra layer, because they have to face some external environment conditions like winds, storms, rains. So they have an extra layer over their structure, cell membrane, and that is called as a cell wall. Now, cell wall is present in plant cell but not in animal cell. Okay. If I go deeper and deeper, I will find that inside the cell membrane there is one more spherical portion, and this is called as a nucleus. Same with the any plant cell. Plants also have a nucleus inside them. So this is a nucleus for a plant cell. Okay. Going more deeper, inside nucleus I can find one more structure here, same in the plant cell, and that is called as a nucleolus. Okay. Now, between the nucleus and the cell membrane, this is all this new the membrane of the nucleus is called as the nuclear membrane. Now this is the nuclear membrane and this one is the cell membrane. Between both these membranes there is a jelly type fluid, or if I say a liquid, and this liquid or a fluid is called as cytoplasm. Cytoplasm. Now beneath the cell membrane we have cytoplasm. Same here, beneath the cell nuclear membrane we again have a jelly like fluid, and this is called as nucleoplasm. Further, if I talk about few more things, inside this nucleoplasm there are small structures which are called as chromosomes. So cell, if I say cell is the smallest structures, if we go deeper and deeper we can study many more things. Also the if I say the life stage of a living body starts with one single cell that meets with the another cell, and finally these cells keeps on dividing, and now if I talk about a human body or animal body, there are trillions of cells. So our body is made up of trillions of cells, and all these cells have different functions. So that's why we can say that yes, we perform different functions, like we breathe, we take in oxygen, we take out carbon dioxide, we take the food is being digested. So there are many more process happening inside our body, and all these processes, if I say, are regulated by these cells. That's all for today. I hope you got to know about the cell. Thank you so much.